Hello everyone, welcome to StudyTube. Today we will perform experiment number 1 of Digital Electronics Lab. In experiment number 1, you will be familiarized with the basic gates and universal gates. What are the basic gates? Basic gates are AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And what about universal gates? Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. First of all, we will see the NOT gate. The inverter or the NOT gate performs logic function of inversion or complementation. It changes one logic level to opposite logic level. If the input is high, then it will change it to low. And if the input is low, then it will change it to high logic level. Logic of the NOT gate. Y equal to A bar, where Y is the output and A is the input. So output will be the complemented input. Logic symbol. This is the logic symbol of NOT gate, where A is the input and Y is the output. We will use this symbol to represent NOT gate in any circuit. In the virtual simulator, we have to take IC of NOT gate. IC number 7404 is NOT gate IC. IC 7404 is placed on the IC base. Now we will see the pin configuration of IC 7404. IC 7404 is a 14 pin IC. In any 14 pin IC, pin number 14 will be the VCC and pin number 7 will be the ground. For operating the IC, you should give voltage to IC. By connecting pin number 7 and 14, we are providing the IC voltage to operate. In IC 7404, there are 6 NOT gates. Pin number 1 is the input and pin number 2 is the output of first NOT gate. Like that, pin number 5 is the input and pin number 6 is the output of third NOT gate. Like that, you can check other NOT gates input and output pin number. In this IC, every NOT gate is in up to down alignment. So from the 6 NOT gates, you can use any NOT gate. But you have to check the input and output pin number of that particular gate. This is the truth table of NOT gate. A is the input and Y is the output. As we know, Y equal to A bar. So when input A equal to 0, output is 1. And when input A equal to 1, output Y is 0. Now we have to verify the truth table by the virtual simulator. First, you need to log in with your login credentials. To get login credentials, you need to register yourself. If you still have not registered in the simulator, then check the video in the I button for the detailed process. Now to get desired IC, click on Add IC option in the upper leftmost corner. After clicking Add IC, this pop-up message appears and you need to choose one of the IC base. Here I choose the second one by clicking on it. Here you can see one drop-down menu comes with several IC options. From the list, we must choose IC 74LS04 or 7404. Hex inverting gates or NOT gate IC. To get this IC, you need to select this IC by clicking on it. Then simply press this Add IC option below. I have already discussed the pin number and their sequence for this Dell Sim simulator in my previous video. To avoid the confusion related to the pin sequence, I strongly recommend to watch the previous video. Link is in the I button. Let's do the connection. First, we need to connect pin number 7 with ground and pin number 20 with the supply or VCC. To do this, first you need to click on pin number 7 and go to the ground port and click once again to connect. Now connect pin number 20 with VCC with the same method. As we discussed, we can take any of the 6 gates present in this NOT gate IC. Here I am taking the first gate. So I am giving input at pin number 1 from input section and take the output from pin number 2 and give it to the output section. Now click on the power button to start the simulator. Red light indicates here high logic level or 1 and no light means low logic level or 0. Now input is 0 and output is 1 because there is red light in the output section. If we switch the input from 0 to 1 by clicking on this switch, we get 0 at the output. So from this we can say that the truth table of NOT gate is verified and IC 7404 represent NOT gate. Now we move to the AND gate. AND gate performs logical multiplication or AND operation. Logic of the two input AND gate is y equal to a dot b or a and b, where a and b are two input and y is the output. Logic symbol of two input AND gate is look like this. AND gate IC number is 7408. We will use this IC on the simulator. Now the pin configuration of IC 7408. This is also a 14 pin IC. So VCC at pin number 14 and ground at pin number 7. Here 4 AND gates are present in this AND gate IC and alignment of the gates is similar to NOT gate IC. Pin number 1 and 2 is the input and pin number 3 is the output of the first AND gate. Like that, you can check other input and output combinations. This is the truth table of AND gate. A and B are input and Y is output. As we know, Y equal to A dot B. So when A and B both are 0, output is 0. When A is 0, B is 1, output is 0. When A is 1 and B is 0, output is 0. And in last combination, when both A and B is 1, output is 1. Now we have to verify the truth table by the virtual simulator. Now we have to take IC 7408 for AND gate. By the same process, we will take the IC 7408. As this one also a 14 pin IC, pin number 7 and pin number 20 will be connected to ground and VCC as shown in the previous circuit. Here, by following the pin configuration, I am taking input at pin number 4 and 5. Two different input is taken at pin number 4 and 5. Now the output must be taken from pin number 6. So the circuit is completed. Now power on the circuit and we have to verify the truth table. First input combination. Two input A and B both are 0. Output is 0. Second combination. A is 0 and B is 1. Now the output is 0. Third combination. A is 1, B is 0. Output is again 0. Now the last combination. A and B both are 1. Output is also 1. So the truth table of AND gate is verified by the simulator. Now we will see the OR gate. OR gate performs logical addition, that is more commonly known as OR operation. Logic of two input OR gate is Y equal to A plus B, where A and B are inputs and Y is the output. Logic symbol of two input OR gate is look like this. OR gate IC number is 7432. We will use this IC on the simulator. Now the pin configuration of IC 7432. 14 pin IC. So pin 7 is ground, and pin number 14 is VCC. It has 4 OR gates in the IC. Alignment of the gates is also same, and like IC 7408, the input and output pin is also same. This is the truth table of OR gate. As Y equal to A plus B, so when both the input is 0, output is 0. And in all other cases, output is 1. Now we will verify the truth table by the simulator. So we have to take IC 7432 by the same process as discussed earlier. IC 7432 is also a 14 pin IC. So pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 20 is connected to VCC. Now following the pin configuration, I am taking 2 different input, one at pin number 4 and one at pin number 5. So the output must be taken from pin number 6. Now the circuit is completed and we have to verify the truth table. So power on the circuit. First combination, both the input are 0. Here output is 0. In the second combination, A is 0 and B is 1. So the output is 1. Third combination, A is here 1 and B is 0. So the output is here 1. Now the last combination, both the input is 1 and output is also 1. So the truth table of OR gate is verified. Now we move to NAND gate. NAND gate implies an AND function with a complemented output. NAND and NOR gate are called universal gate because by using only this gate we can construct any gate. Logic of NAND gate: Y equal to A dot B whole bar, where A and B are inputs and Y is output. Logic symbol of 2 input NAND gate is look like this. NAND gate IC number is 7400. Pin configuration of IC 7400. Pin configuration is similar to IC 7408 and IC 7432. Here 4 NAND gate is in this IC. Input and output combination, alignment, everything is similar. This is the truth table of NAND gate. Here Y equal to A dot B whole bar. So when both the input 0, output is 1. When A equal to 0, B equal to 1, output is 1. When A equal to 1, B equal to 0, output is 1. But when both the input 1, output is 0. Now we will verify this truth table by the simulator. Here we have to take IC 7400 by the same process. Pin number 7 and pin number 20 connection is same because it is also a 14 pin IC. Now following the pin configuration, I am taking 2 different input from input section at pin number 1 and pin number 2. So the output must be from pin number 3. After turning on the power, the first combination of input, both the input 0, so the output is 1. Second combination, A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. Here the output is 1. Third combination, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. The output is 1. And the last combination, both A and B is 1. The output is 0. So the truth table of NAND gate is verified. Now we will see NOR gate. NOR gate implies an OR function with a complemented output. Logic of two input NOR gate y equal to a plus b whole bar, where y is the output and a and b are two inputs. Logic symbol of two input NOR gate is look like this. NOR gate IC number is 7402. Pin configuration of IC 7402. It is also a 14 pin IC. So pin number 7 is ground and pin number 14 is VCC. But here alignment of the gates is different than previous ICs. So the input and output pin number is different here. There are 4 NOR gates in this IC. Pin number 2 and 3 are the input and pin number 1 is the output of the first NOR gate. Like that, you have to follow the pin configuration when you will connect the input and output. This is the truth table of NOR gate, where y equal to a plus b whole bar. When both the input is 0, output is 1. When a equal to 0, b equal to 1, output is 0. When a equal to 1, b equal to 0, output is 0. And when both the input is 1, output is 0. Now we have to verify the truth table in the simulator. Here we have to take IC 7402. Now pin number 7 is connected to ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC. By following the pin configuration, I am taking two different input at pin number 2 and pin number 3. So the output must be from pin number 1. Now power on the simulator. First combination of input, both A and B are 0. Here the output is 1. Second combination of input, A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. Output is here 0. Third combination of input, A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. Output is 0. And the last combination of input, both A and B 1, and here output is 0. So truth table of NOR gate is verified by the simulator. So I hope in this video you have learned and understand how to verify the truth table of basic gates and universal gates by this simulator. If you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. For more this type of content, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for get the notification of the next video. Stay updated with StudyTube.